our app is called Trailblazer. We want to make a app that allows users to see all the places that they go, and more importantly, create a optimized route such that all travelers can easily visit every location.
So we're first presented with the login page where you have to enter your credentials and log in. There's obviously also an option to create an account. And in this option, you have to agree to the terms of service when you create an account. For now, we're just going to use an existing account and log in. So we're first presented with the homepage, which shows a list of all the routes that were previously created. And if we want to create a new route, we can click the Add Route button in the middle of the bottom.
So here's where a user would add a new route. So let's say they're planning a Toronto trip. And let's say they start in Pearson Airport. And they want their end destination to be Hillcrest Mall and Richmond Hill. But let's say they want to stop at somewhere in between. So we click Add Destination. We'll add Vaughan Mills. And depending on if the user has access to a car or not, we can just hit the slider. But for this example, we'll say we're only using public transit. So now we just click Calculate Route. So here's the map. We have in the bottom left Pearson. We have Vaughan Mills at position number 1. And Richmond Hill or Hillcrest Mall for the end destination. Now we can click on transit directions, and this will give you the exact bus routes you need to take in order to arrive at all of your destinations. So now let's go back to the home screen.
As you can see, the Toronto trip is now on the home screen. If you don't want it anymore, you can just delete it. And then you can also edit it. Here we're just going to delete one of the middle destinations. And then when we click Update Route, you can see that the map is now updated with only 4 destinations. And back in the home screen, you can also share your route with a friend, family. As you can see, under each route, there is also an email, and that email is actually the owner of the route. On your screen, it will show your email. And after you are done, you can go to the profile page to log out. And that concludes the workflow of Trailblazer.